Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this tutorial, you'll learn to make this curved plate using the operation pad and Boolean operation to combine two bodies. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch, and here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create two circles. One circle with 50 millimeters of diameter and the other with 150 millimeters of diameter. So go to Sketch, select the top plane, select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle with 50 millimeters and create another circle with 150 millimeters. And now we will extrude this body. So leave the sketch and go to Pad. And here we will extrude this 100 millimeters and press OK. And now we will create these holes. This hole has 50 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of this hole and the midpoint is 55 millimeters. We will create only this one, and to create the others, we will use the circular pattern. So select this face and go to create a sketch, select a circle, make a circle here with 15 millimeters of diameter, and go to dimension. The distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 55 millimeters. And leave the sketch, go to pocket, and type here, select it through all and press OK. And now to create the others, we use the polar pattern. So go here to polar pattern and select it, transform two shapes and add features. Select this edge here. The quantity here is 8 and the length 360 degrees and press OK. We made this one. And now we will create a new body and make this sketch. And here we have an arc with 150 millimeters of radius and another arc with 140 millimeters of radius. And we have two lines here connecting the both arcs. So here go to create a new body and hide this body here. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane. And now select the arc from 3 points. Click here and here, make an arc here and create another arc here. And go to constraints and select the coincident, select the center of the both arcs. And now select a line, make a line between the arcs. This line must be a vertical line. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select the center of the arc and the midpoint. And go to dimension. This arc here has 140 millimeters and this one has 150 millimeters. And the distance between these 2 points here is the diameter of this part, okay? 150 millimeters. Let me move the dimensions here a little bit. We made this one. And now leave the sketch. And go to Pad. The mode here, select symmetric. And the length, select 200. And press OK. We made this two body. And now, to create the curved plate, we'll go to Boolean Operation. It is a combine. And here, the type of operation, select common and select add body. Select this body here. And we will create this. And press OK. And look that we have only one body here, the curved plate. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.